A wonderful, enriching experience. Our time in Seville with Let's Eat the World was so much more than we expected. Personal historic tours, cultural events and places, flamenco lessons. But above all, the time with Chef Eric, Yetunde, and their team was the creme de la creme. Because of them, we experienced the foods of Seville and the south of Spain, learned the craft of preparing them, and saw the wonders of the local communities. It was a beautiful and enriching experience.
The week in Seville with Eric and Yetunde was one of my top travel experiences ever. Cooking with them felt like spending time with family. All of the warmth and fun, but none of the drama. Eric's teaching style is so approachable and inclusive. Our little group of 5 bonded instantly. Even though I've spent time in Andalusia in the past, the cultural visits and tours during this week gave me a much deeper appreciation of this fascinating part of the world. And what a big booklet of recipes to recreate the experience over and over. Count me a fan.